So this video is basically about how you can use your email, what email system we use at Annandale High School, how to send an email to your teacher, how to respond to an email, how to create a new email. So let me go ahead and quickly show you how to do all of the above. So first, you will go to your Google Drive. If you don't see this screen, you will click on FCPS Google Apps, and it'll take you to the screen. Once you are in your drive, you see these buttons on the side, right? You're going to click on it. Right underneath it, the second one should be Gmail. So you are going to go to your Gmail. At Annandale High School, all of your teachers, normally all of them, will email you at your Gmail account because this is your school email. Okay, in order for you to check an email, you will see your emails appear here. So if you click on an email, you can read the email, and then if you want to respond, you are going to click on this arrow, and then you will respond to that person and then send it when you are done. Okay, so that is the quickest way to respond to an email that you have received. If you want to write a new email, you will click on Compose right here, and as many times as you click on it, it'll open up a window. So I only want to compose one email, so I'm going to click on it once, which I did, and I'm going to send the email to myself. So the beauty of Gmail is you just need to type your teacher's name, and their email will appear in the to box, because every single one of the teachers in Fairfax County and Annandale High School have a FCPS Gmail account. Okay, and then you will type your message. Hello, Miss P. I hope you are having a safe summer. Thank you, Miss P. Remember, you are trying to be respectful in your emails. You want to be appropriate. Remember, this is a school email, so please be appropriate. In your subject, you can type what your subject is about, hello, and then you're going to send it. Once I send the email, the person that I emailed will receive an email. And there you go. They see the email, and then I will press reply. And I will send it back. Okay, so that is how you will write an email and respond to an email. Now remember, every one of your teachers will send you an email to your Gmail account. Please try your best to check your Gmail account at least once a day. Okay? If you have any questions, I will add this video to my PowerPoint on the different tools that I used in the classroom, and I will attach my email address to it. Thank you.